Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onybest and you're welcome to Onybest Beauty Patente D. So how are you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing fine. Okay. In today's video, we'll be talking on Divieto di Sorpasso per gli autocarri che superano 3,5 tonnellate. Okay, we'll be talking about that. Divieto di Sorpasso, which is they are forbidden to overtake on seeing the sign. Autocarro, where their full mass load, okay, don't pass 3.5 ton. So on seeing the sign, they are forbidden to overtake, okay? All right, let's jump into the video. But before we do, if you're just seeing my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because you'll be seeing lots and lots of video, okay? And of course, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to know, okay? All right, let's get started. Ok, Divieto di Sorpasso per gli autocarri che superano 3,5 tonnellate. This is the signal. Remember, you know them by their sign, the background color, and their names. Now, we have done the one for tutti veicoli, all vehicles, Divieto di Sorpasso. The last lesson we did was on all topic, okay? Now, this is for autocar, okay? Specifically for them. Look at the drawing. What is being drawn inside of it should be able to tell you who it is referring to. È un segnale di divieto e vieta ai veicoli di massa a pieno carico superiore a 3,5 tonnellate non destinate a trasporto di persone, autocarri, autotreni, autoarticolati, di sorpassare veicoli a motore, né anche i motocicli. Now, this sign forbids the vehicle where at their full mass load, their full mass load, it is over 3.5 ton. It forbids them for doing overtaking of vehicles with engine. Referring to these vehicles, do not overtake vehicles with engine, autocarro, autotreno, autoarticolati, that are not destinated to transport persone. Rather, they are transporting goods. Okay, now it is telling them they are forbidden to overtake vehicles with engine. Okay, even motocicli, okay, they are not allowed to overtake. Non vale per tutti gli altri veicoli, compresi autobus, autosnodati, autocaravan, camper, anche se superano 3,5 tonnellate, perché trasportano persone. Now, this sign does not valid for other vehicles, including autobus, autosnodati, autocaravan, even if their full mass load is still higher than 3.5 ton. Even at their full mass load is still higher than what? 3.5 ton. It doesn't forbid them from doing overtaking because they are meant to transport persons and not goods. Okay, now this sign is referring to autocarro, autotreni, autoarticolati used in transporting goods, not persons, that their full mass load is more than 3.5 ton. Do not overtake. Okay, it doesn't refer to autobus, autocaravan, autosnodati, even if their full mass load is higher than 3.5 ton, because this set of buses are for transporting people, while it is referring to those transporting goods with their full mass load don't pass 3.5 ton. Okay, now it is telling you, on seeing this sign, this is the end of this divieto. Fine del divieto di sorpassare per gli altri autocarri che superano 3,5 tonnellate. Now, this is the end of the divieto. That is what this sign is telling them, that on seeing this sign, the first divieto you saw, it is no longer valid. Okay, remember that they see the sign at first, telling them it is forbidden for them to do overtaking. Now, after that sign, they are going to see this one telling them from here onwards now you can do overtaking. The divieto no longer valid. È un segnale di fine prescrizione, fine divieto, the end of prescription sign, fine divieto. Remember that segnale di divieto is also segnale prescrizione. They might not ask you, is this segnale di divieto? They might ask you, is this segnale di prescrizione? È vero. Indica la fine del divieto di sorpasso precedentemente imposto riguardante i veicoli di massa a pieno carico superiore 3,5 tonnellate. Now, on seeing this sign, it is telling that this is the end of divieto for the vehicle that was being imposed not to do overtaking, that was being obliged not to do overtaking. Now, from this place onward, they are free from that divieto, okay? They can overtake. Okay, non destinata a trasportare le persone. So that divieto that was being placed on those vehicles that are not being used to transport persons, but rather they are being used to transport goods, okay? Now, that divieto on them, on seeing this sign, it ends, no longer valid. From here onwards, they can do overtaking, okay? All right, guys, this is the end of today's lesson, okay? If there's anything you do not understand, please leave it in the comment section and I'll be willing and I'll be ready to as well give you feedback on what you ask, okay? Do not be scared to ask questions. Like when you ask questions, you get to know more, okay? All right, if you like my video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And I swear, if you have not followed yet, what are you waiting for? Please do where to click the button, okay? Try to subscribe, and I swear, turn on your notification bell so that you get notification each time I post a new video. The best you can do for me is as well share my video to your friends and your family. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.